do.
Wait, you just record it like this. Day 2, stay the night at hotel. Now we're heading to the beach. This is OOTD today. But yeah. Got all the suitcases, putting some up there.
Yeah. It is really good though. Yeah. Yeah, messy, right? I had to work for that. Oh no, we won that. He ended up with a
Finish strong. What's the one on
Hey guys! Okay, so we're with the cousins. Yeah! We're gonna go for a walk, get some ice cream. I'm excited! This is the whole group.
I was not even in there.
Oh, Darlene, did you get in? Girl group, so yeah.
Go girl.
Come with.
Go girl. Okay girl, I still eyelashes. They're cute.
It's all play with. Sorry. I got so
Your turn over here.
Cheese.
I ain't saying cheese.
Why? I don't know.
Hey, should we share scared?
Wait, no, not right here. Janae.
Oh, she's at the front. I want to start right here.
Where is she? No, that's it. Look at me. Ni te van a agarrar esto. Mira lo chiquito esto.
Try it. It's yummy, huh? What is this? Coffee? You know it's coffee? That was so funny.
Straight ahead.
Go. What? He cheated. Really good. I wouldn't mind doing that. Yeah, that was so good. I feel like it'd melt like an instant.
I just feel like since we had ice cream machine.
You want the one?
Yeah, that's true. And I did have pineapple coconut ice cream. Yeah. Do it. Show her how to do it, Charlie.
What shoes?
Yeah, at least she used to lay off the marshmallow.
You should film her. We should film her. We should film her doing that. Yeah. Okay, do it.
Go.
On the vlog.
Do it.
Her Crocs are the opposite way. Her Crocs are wrong. She said one too many marshmallows.
That's my little sister, by the way.
Look at you, Johnny.
Her dad's still trying to figure out which is going on.
When she grows up, I'm going to show this to her.
Dad, you can't wear crop tops. You're not allowed yet.
It might come back. It probably just went to have a slumber party somewhere. Oh man, I think you're gonna watch it. That's right.
Where'd Jamie go? I was trying to get Jamie. Yeah, let's try some.
I'll take a picture of it.
You're gonna be in the vlog now because I only had so many videos.
Oh no.
It's hard because I don't have the camera anymore. So I need to get one.
You have your glasses on you. Yeah. Okay, come on.
So right now we're in Mobile, Alabama. We just had buzzed. What was it? Buzzed what? Buzz something. We got strawberry. No, not strawberry. Banana split. Nathan got strawberry sherbet. Hannah got chocolate. You're so annoying. You don't ever want to be in it, but then you're always like, take a picture of me. I never have any pictures.
Hey guys, hey guys, turn around. Where's Dad going to the chopper?
Going to this. He's walking around with that crawfish po' boy.
Yeah, my ice cream's gonna melt by the time I get there.
My dad got a crawfish po' boy to go. Po' boy. It just cracks me up how he's like carrying it around.
Hey, you better not spill that in the car. It's gonna stink.
Oh, this is cool.
Where are they gonna stand?
Logo actually started with Apple Louisiana.